Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. It's Bob Homestead with Sadie in the bus again. So, I don't know if you noticed the other day when I finished up the ceiling, we tested the lights. And they weren't as bright as we were hoping they were going to be. So, the plan today is I'm going to put a board crossed here with an LED light on the bottom on it, behind it, so that illuminates up and the one from the top illuminates down. And we're gonna see what that does. So with that being said, let's get at it. Now, I've already pre-done, got the board ready, just cause it's been one of them days. I don't know if you see, this morning, big drill bit right through my hand, and it has not stopped bleeding. But my mistake. So to get a new package of LED lights, if I can figure out how to open them. So what we want to do, let's get this out of here. So we're going to take, so this is the board right here. And it's actually going to be mounted up just like this. So I'm going to put the LED light, we're going to go right here on this top. So. Wait with me. So, I am going to put one on this side.
Yeah, I thought you were.
And I got to put a snake in this hole and run it all the way over so I can pull a wire all the way back over. Because I didn't put a wire over there for it.
Okay.
But I can run a snake all the way over. I already fell up in here. All this is styrofoam. So all I got to do is take a snake and just keep feeding it until it comes out over here.
Okay, so.
I like it.
All right, so what is this, just a 1x6?
1x6. That leads right up to the bathroom wall. It's gonna go.
Okay, so you filled in some putty.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I did all those nail holes too, so they can be resanded.
Okay, so I'm just wondering, yeah, okay.
Yeah, they gotta be touched up.
I'm just wondering if we want to go with a different stain. You know, stain differently later if we don't like it. All right, so.